Hey guys, this is Lars Pierce with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our brand new Scout 275 Dorado. Right now I'm in the cockpit. You see how spacious it is if you're taking this boat out fishing. It's a great dual-purpose boat. As you can see back here, we got flip-out seating from all over the place. Real easy to convert this. It's something that's family-friendly. Matching seats on the starboard side as well. There's also a seat that comes out with the wave gate. Go this back. Now back here too, we have two live wells, wave gate to come down, and twin Yamaha 200s. Point out the bilges when I'm on these Scouts. See how nice that is. Easy to clean. They're finished. We have in this boat 2 fish boxes in the floor, matching the one on the port side as well. And I'll take you up to the helm areas. Up here under the hardtop, it's nice. We got some grab rails for safety. This hardtop's really nice, all molded. We got 4 speakers in this thing too. Over here on the port side, we got our refrigerator. Our starboard side, a nice sink, cutting board area, and some storage drawers underneath. Now moving forward, on our port side, we got a nice subwoofer over here. Really makes the stereo sound nice. As well as our seats here, we got a armrest, flip up thigh bolster, lockable glove box, and a nice spacious head with the countertop and the sink. Now at our helm, we have the same kind of seat up here. We have our Garmin display, it'll control all your stuff, lights and all that. Your fusion radio, and some switching down here, as well as trim tabs. We have some nice storage compartments underneath the helm too. And we'll go up to the bow in a second. I'll show you some features. Alright, up here in the bow, we have some nice seating. It's mirrored on both sides. Got a flip down armrest. Storage underneath, grab rail for safety. Up here, this is a very nice feature. You don't have to worry about setting the table up. This thing just folds right out. Real neat. With a cooler underneath too, so you can keep your drinks right in there. And you have anchor locker access. As well as up here, this actually gets us to our windlass anchor with controls right here as well. Also have some cup holders here and all your pull-up cleats. So again, this has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm on our 275 Dorado. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.